Okay. You are.
We're here in Lindsay, Ontario with Andrew MacEwen, getting set to do his chainsaw thing. He's quite nervous. I think he might DQ.
Mama, how do you feel about this?
Hello, Taka. I feel good.
Nice weather, the sun is out and shining.
It's very focused.
Very focused on this event, very good. Fuck. Oh, hello.
Hello, sir.
Andrew, how it is with the event?
I feel pretty confident right here.
Look at his
It's
face.
running, pretty cold out.
Say hello to the fans.
Come on. That's my only fan.
Yep, pretty much.
Love you.
Let's start that.
Really love you.
Don't cry.
It's just the cold.
And for all those girls out there on YouTube.
You can chainsaw me hard anytime. Sure, my luck.
They came to cut me a couple cookies.
What?
He's right there.
Where?
Ah, shit.
Get a shot of that curly guy.
It's Rick Mercer. Andrew, Rick Mercer's here.
He was looking for steals of boots.
Nice.
I think he might be running with I didn't know. I just scanned. And I was like, and he's like, okay.
He was Ike bought it. He's like, you want to put it on?
Oh, it's not a picture.
It's filming. Will's talking to his agent.
32 minutes, 30 seconds. Nobody's gonna want to watch this video.
Yes, they will.
You can pull my cord any day.
Rev it right up.
Sure does rev my engines.
And here we go. Andrew MacEwen, Men's A Chainsaw. Keep it.
Good cut. Boy.
How do you guys think about that?
I thought it went well,
I
Bob.
thought it went pretty good, Dave. Mike, what do you think?
Fuck off. Wait for Rick Mercer.